Hi. Please avoid the lighting. Avoid the lighting for a second. I'm just going to apply my sunscreen and I'll be taking the camera in my hand so that you can see me clearly. Now, I know you all must be wondering that where have I been? Like, I've not posted, like, it's been a month or more than a month, I guess, right? At this point. But, guys, the thing was that even if I was like vlogging and stuff, I was not getting time to edit because I was going for this competition and that competition, and then dealing with my half yearlies and portion competition and school drama. So it's like lot of shit was happening, and I was like, wow. Now, like, I do have few clips from my half yearly, like I vlogged it, but I know that it was like, now there's no point in vlogging it. Like, I've shot some good things on Navratri and stuff, but trust me when I say I didn't got a single minute to spare to just do good editing. So I'm like, just wait कि प्री बोर्ड्स का टाइम आएगा तब से आई कैन स्टार्ट सो दैट आई कैन फिल्म गुड कंटेंट एंड आई बी लाइक वर्किंग विथ यू गाइज अ लॉट. Now, the next important thing I want to discuss with you all is that I changed my channel's name. Yes, I always wanted it to be something unique, but I was not getting perfect words. So I think it's like it was meant to happen when it was meant to happen. And like yesterday, I was just updating my banner and stuff, and I was like, what should be the name? Like, you have to think of. There's this one good friend of mine. She said that to me, by the way, but I talked with her, and we came up with the conclusion that the name of the channel should be K-Aesthetics. Like, it's the perfect name. Like, it is going to be a brand. Let's manifest it together, that we all together as the community are going to make aesthetics a brand. And like, I always loved my name as K. Like, if anybody called me K, I was like, yay. And my camera is dirty, but anyways, we'll fix that. And by the way, this is a beetroot shine lip gloss sort of a thing. So tell me in the comment section your views on the channel's name, cause like I love it and I think it will help us to reach to a more like-minded community. And I always want to show socialize with people and connect with people through this channel. Wow, what a novel setting. But yeah, like the basic purpose of me starting this YouTube channel was to find people who would love to socialize and connect and stuff. So basically the agenda of today's video is that me showing my day in my life, because guess what? It's the Diwali time, guys. Like, can you believe itni jaldi Diwali bhi aa gayi? But anyways, I'm happy that soon 12th will be over and we'll be moving ahead. The new chapters of life, and let's hope for the best. And right now I'll be studying computer science in the first work block, and then let's see how the day proceeds. And right now few days I'm not going to overdo myself, because it's like, let's take it a low-key days, because then like I have all set for the November month, like how I want to do it, what I want to do it, and it's like that. And I am planning some good content also, a few like study challenges and stuff. So I'm just thinking about it, let me process it, discuss it, and then I'll get back to all that what I have in my mind. So now, what time ho gaya? Let's start studying. So now I'll be doing economics, and I've segregated all my notes and materials into separate folders for each subject, and I've named it, and I've created like a different folder for each subject. And right now I'm going to do a worksheet. So yeah. Hi guys, I'm back. After the last clip which you saw, I was doing, I guess, economics, which when I shooted. Then after that I had my lunch, and then I took a break, and then I slept. So that sleeping part was to be a nap of 30 to 40 minutes, so that in the rest of the afternoon I can do my projects. But the nap turned into a deep sleep, and I woke up at 4:30 in the evening. So it's fine, I'm not going to let that affect that much, because it's just the beginning of the vacation, so it's fine. And yeah, I was also feeling very dizzy, and like I needed sleep. So abhi to I'm not going to continue with my projects. I'll do what all I have planned, and the first things comes is coffee. Oh god, सुबह सुबह मैंने कॉफ़ी नहीं पी थी, क्योंकि मम्मा ने ज़बरदस्ती पराठे के साथ दही खिलवा दिया, and like I love it, but then on dahi I don't prefer having coffee, because I don't know, मुझे कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट नहीं आता, और मुझे coffee, actually this is the coffee na, this is for my nutrition intake, it's not that much caffeine, but I'm still addicted to it. That means it has some caffeine. So yeah, now I'm going to sip on this the entire evening, and probably I'll be like awake till late, so it will help me get through the day. And aap batao, how are you all guys? How are you all dealing with boards and stuff? How is your mental health? Like, sorry, खुल गया था ड्राइंग. But how is your mental health, like in general? Even if you are not a board student, you're going to be a board student, or you have passed on board student, but like how is your coping mechanism with all stress and stuff? Because I guess my mental health is not doing pretty well. I have certain issues which needs my attention, and then I do overthinking and stuff. But it's fine, we have to deal with stuff. And I don't know, I've never been this much of like confused in my life, I would say. But yes, right now I'm in a stage where I'm the most confused in my life I've ever been. So we have to deal with that stuff. बाकी तो everything is बल्ले बल्ले, अब पढ़ लेते हैं. Usually I go for like very healthy meals and stuff. But even aloo paratha is there for breakfast, really. Anything else in the world. So right now this is my breakfast, brunch, whatever you say. It's the next day, by the way, because last night then I was tired, not in the mood to vlog and stuff. So I thought let's just continue to the next day. Another vlog, another face mask. So I got my brows done today. So I thought let's just make our skin feel nourishing and let's have some festive vibes. So that's why I know back to back in many vlogs I've been doing face mask, but this is because the gaps in between which I shoot is very long. That's the reason. Today I've tried charcoal mask. So let's see what are the results of this. Hi guys. Wait, this notification sucks. Okay. I don't know what I'm vlogging, which day it is, but it was supposed to be a day in my life, but it turns out to be a week in my life because that day I was not able to complete the content which I shoot. I liked it, and now again, so it's kind of a task, but we'll manage it. Like, you love watching me, right? So just love it. And I think this is day 3 of vlogging. Like, मैंने start किया था Sunday को या Monday को, and then yesterday also I shot something, a clip maybe, and then today. So yeah, I'm back. Like, this is the day 3 of me vlogging and showing my life because I'm having my coffee and studying, and that's basically the routine. So basically I start vlogging and then I study for a while, and पता नहीं फिर मेरा मूड कहाँ चला जाता है पढ़ाई का. I've been so sluggish nowadays. I have to get back on track and fix the inner me to work efficiently. Yeah, the need of the hour. I don't know, ब्लॉगिंग करते करते मेरे एक्टिंग स्किल्स कहाँ से बाहर आ जाते हैं. प्लीज़ 50 रुपये मत काटना ओवर एक्टिंग के, दैट वुड बी रियली लेस. 500 काटिएगा. एंड दिस वॉज ऑल्सो ओवर एक्टिंग. ओके, आई एम गॉन क्रेजी. हाय गाइस, आई डोंट नो, लाइक मैंने ब्लॉग स्टार्ट किया, उसके बाद 20 days I took a break because I was studying and वो school was winding up, and उसके बाद मैं ट्रिप पे चली गई होम टाउन. So now I'm back. I don't know कितने दिन बाद मैं ब्लॉग कर रही हूँ, but this is going to be very chaotic. बहुत दिन से बहुत कुछ साथ में, but day after tomorrow मैं प्री बूटा स्टार्ट करूँगी. I'm really nervous about it. I don't know why, but I think we'll figure it out after we get the first test. Let's hope for the best. I know, मेरी तरह you must also be thinking एक ऐसा vlog है जो start अक्टूबर में हुआ and it's like not ending till November also. Right now it's what, 23rd of November, guys. November is gonna end, and this vlog I started around अक्टूबर का एंड, ठीक है। तो था कि अभी आई व्लॉग दिस पोस्टेड एंड देन प्री बोर्ड पे एक अच्छा व्लॉग बनाऊँगी। नथिंग हैपन, नहीं मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ, नहीं मैं यूट्यूब पे फोकस कर रही हूँ। ग्रेट वर्क। आई एम हैविंग माई थर्ड प्री बोर्ड, मीन्स फर्स्ट प्री बोर्ड का थर्ड एग्ज़ाम, ओके, एंड इट्स कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इट्स द ओनली सब्जेक्ट दैट इज़ होल्डिंग मी बैक एंड आई एम सिक। तो मुझे एक्चुअली पढ़ना पड़ेगा, लाइक एक्चुअल मीन्स इन रियल सेंस। मैं सोचा लेट्स जस्ट व्लॉग इट एंड अपडेट सो दैट मैं कुछ पढ़ ही लूँ। बाय द वे, कट माई हेयर शॉर्ट, इट्स नॉट दैट शॉर्ट बट लाइक पहले मेरे टॉर्सो के नीचे तक बाल थे, नाउ आई एम हैविंग लाइक अबव बिलो शोल्डर बट लाइक till where my torso is, that much है, but yeah, because all the splits and all, okay, बहुत बकवास करी। I literally have to study, I literally have to edit this vlog now, like कब तक यार, I don't want to just make a 1 hour vlog and just like this was my 3 months, no, I won't do that, and I don't know मैंने क्या क्या शूट किया है, and it's gonna be a very chaotic vlog, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog, like काफ़ी टाइम बाद I've uploaded something in my chaotic life, so yeah, and December पक्का I'll get some new content because I'm going for a शादी, so I'm excited, ये। but अब चलो पढ़ते हैं, and guys एक second, oh my god, date sheet have released, now that rush and वो लगती है ना, that all feeling, it's like oh my god, I'm just full of fire, okay, and also the first exam of mine, like I am a computer science student, so मेरी वो last है, but first exam is business studies on 22nd, and then directly we have on 11th of March English, और 15-16 days के बाद English, oh my god, but okay, we'll make good use of that. Now let's study. So guys, I finally decided to end this vlog because now I think I have to get productive with my vlogging, because I've promised you guys कि मैं pre-boards के time पे सब पे I'll vlog good. So that's what the plan is, and I've made myself hot chocolate because गला बर्बाद हो गया, so I need to have something hot, and I don't like milk like that, and coffee, I love cold coffee more. I do like hot coffee, but the one I have does not taste good in hot, and Nescafe is too much for me, too much caffeine. So the best alternative is having hot cocoa, which is 99% cocoa, but I have added a spoon of Bournvita and half spoon of sugar also, because my dad also wanted to try it, and that's sweet. So that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I know it was really long and a chaotic vlog, and like where it started, how it ended, it was too much, but now I try to film more organized vlog where you will be seeing me more studying and prepping for my boards.